Okay, everybody, today is potato day. It's a good day to take up your potatoes. So we're going to see what we've got. Just a minute. I'm trying to get my gloves on here. And hopefully you can see. Let me see. Turn this up here so I can see. And this is what they look like now. You can see that the tops is all died off on them. So we're going to take and pull those up. See, we've got some little ones on there. Put those down there. And then we're going to dump this out. That's a nice one. Okay. Let me get over here and get my bucket. Or my pan. Can't see that, can you? So we're going to put those in there. There's a nice one. There's a nice one. So we're going to break this all apart. Get our potatoes out. But yeah, today is supposed to be, yesterday and today was a good day. But we've had rain for the last probably week or more, every evening. And the dirt's wet, but you can see we got holes in the buckets. So the water will drain out. So this ain't as bad as actually getting out and digging potatoes in the outside world or out in the dirt. So yeah. And then all this we're going to put it back in our buckets. There's this, yeah, it's a show off one. Mama Elf's wanting to come out and supervise, so that's going to be just a minute. But we're going to put all this dirt back in this bucket, so that way we'll have it to start next time. And there's another one. Oh, there's some more little ones, but hey, they're potatoes. And that's a good way to go through it when you break it up and pick it up by the handfuls to put it back in the bucket. So you don't lose a whole lot, and then you can find all the potatoes. And if we put fertilizer in those, let's go ahead and put these can decompose. We'll put those back in there and cover those up. And that'll fertilize the dirt some. And then we can use the same dirt next year. Let me get my gloves off. But yeah, that's what we got out of one bucket. So we'll check all the other ones and see what they have. And when we get them all finished, I think we've got like 14 buckets, 13 or 14. But when we get all those finished, we'll come back and let you see what we got. Okay, everybody, we've actually done 2 buckets, and this is what we've got out of 2 buckets so far. And we have Mama Elf supervising. Say hello, Mama Elf.
Hello.
She makes a good supervisor, a good boss. She's good at all that stuff. So, we're getting ready to do our 3rd bucket, so we'll be back shortly. Hey everybody, we have actually dumped out 7 buckets, and this is what we've got so far. And I've got to, yeah, there's 7 of them.
Okay.
And I'm going to set these aside and go hunt me another tub, and then we'll try to get the rest of them. So we'll be back shortly. Okay everybody, we finally got all the potatoes out of the buckets, and we've ended up with 2 little tubs and a few there in the middle that had places on them. But yeah, that was 14 buckets of potatoes. Now I've got to clean them all up, get them dry, and then we'll weigh them. Okay, everybody, we've got them all.
What's that crawling there, Granddaddy?
Yeah, we've got them all cleaned up, and now we got to take and get them all good and dry. Where'd that critter go? Oh, there it is. Mama Elf's seen an enemy. See if we can get him to come out of there. There he goes. That's a Pappy Longlegs. Oh, he's trying to get into our potatoes. No, you don't. And we just got him out of the ground, and something's already trying to get him. But, yeah, we got to get them in the house and get them all good and dry. And then we'll weigh them, and we'll bring you back for the weighing. So, there's that.
Back when we get ready to eat.
We got them all out of the dirt. Okay, everybody, it's weigh-in time for our potatoes. And as you can see there, it's still off a little bit, isn't it? That's our little tub that we have weighing them in, so we're not going to worry about that little bit right there. So I'm going to take and separate them some. And we'll weigh them because my little scale thing only goes up to 10 pounds. Now it's been adjusted, Mama Elf, down to 0 for the weight of the basket. Okay? So this is going to take just a minute, folks. I'm sorry. Try to separate them out evenly in like 3 baskets, and then see what we got. I might need to move the chair back too so we can see the actual scale part. So, here's the first one. And if you notice, it's a pink basket. And that one has 5 pounds and let me hold it down there so you can see. 5 pounds and 14 ounces. Okay, so you can see this basket's pink, or apricot color. This one's going to be a aqua blue. That one has 6 pounds and 3 ounces. Yeah, it looks like 6 pounds 3 ounces. Okay, now let's get the last basket. And it's a mint and green color. And it is 5 pounds and 8 ounces. And let's total those up, and then we'll give you a sum for it. That's going to be just a minute. What was the middle one?
6 pounds 3 ounces. So that'd be 27 pounds.
Well, let's see. Put that up there. 6 pounds. £17. So if I didn't mess up on my calculations here, we got 17 pounds and 9 ounces, but I'll recalculate them and let everybody know. So, yep. So there's our harvest from our potatoes out of the bucket. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smack that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will say bless each and every one of you, and hope you have a blessed day. And for now, this is Elf saying over and out. Bye.